And Mama's getting a big break. While the babies are gone.
Where'd you want it?
Is it full? Mm-hmm. Move it a little bit further towards the door.
This one?
Yeah. Take it up to Paige. And then she's going to salt it in on top of the sawdust. But she's going to need a regular pitchfork.
I'll grab her one.
Or a shovel.
Those cats like that are attracted to that camera.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever there's a camera, there's a cat.
Okay, try not to waste it on the ground. Okay, Paige, show me how you salt it. Wait, Kai, if it's easier for her, help her lift it up and dump it over, and then she can spread it. Salt it in, don't mix it in, just put it on the top. And then after you have it full the rest of the way, we're going to do one more load on the top, okay?
Okay.
Just make sure you're not mixing it into the sawdust. It needs to stay on the top. And if you want, you can put a layer of flat cardboard in on top of this one, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Kai says she's not going to help. Go get her. Both of you come. What I mean by that is she says she's not going to help with the brush. Go get her. She said she was coming. Huh? She said she was coming. A few hours, we have no wind, nice weather, and then we have this. Come sit up here. I think I like up there and I get the sun. Well, don't be on the side where the wind is blowing towards. Be on the other side. Brush used to scrub things. Wheelbarrow of rabbit manure.
Okay. Hold on, I need chicken to stay. Lucky.
I need either a shovel or a pitchfork.
I can grab you both. Because you will want both.
Hey guys, this is my pallet raised bed and we are putting garlic in it for next year. You plant garlic on October 10th in our area and it overwinters. If you do not plant it in the fall, it will not produce big bulbs. Also, you cannot leave them as bulbs. They have to be individually planted, and each individually planted clove turns into a bulb. So it's very simple. Pointy side goes up, blunt side goes down, and what I do is I cover them, I mulch them with rabbit manure, and we have just had really good luck with rabbit manure for our garden beds. We layer carbon, and then we put a little layer of rabbit manure, and then lots of carbon, and then rabbit manure, and then I put on my potting soil that has perlite in it, and then we cover it with rabbit manure, and it just works really well. So we're not going to cover these up with the white fabric. Instead, we will just cover it with bird netting, because we want the water, we want the snow, we want everything to get on top of the garlic, but we don't want cats getting in there and digging it up. So we're going to cover it up with bird netting. Hopefully this is interesting. I do have other videos showing in more detail how I prepare the soil, how I build the hotbed, the pallet beds. These are self-heating beds. They will stay warm through the winter, and that's really valuable for our area because our last frost is in the end of June and our first frost is in the end of August. So it's really valuable to us to have something that really extends the season and protects our crops. And I think that's it. I'm just going to cover this up, and then we will show you more as we go along. That allows water and snow in, but it keeps the cats from digging up or pooping in the garden bed.